Welcome. This is the index and the first chapter of this book. If you liked the download link below the video. Table of Contents. Forward. Chapter 1. Introduction. Chapter 2. Basics of Email Marketing. Chapter 3. List Building Essentials. Chapter 4. Writing compelling email headlines. Chapter 5. Email Copywriting Essentials. Chapter 6. Email Links and Click-Throughs. Chapter 7. Advanced Email Marketing Tricks. Chapter 8. Email Marketing Mistakes to Avoid. Wrapping up. Email marketing is the bread and butter of any successful online marketing campaign. By capturing your leads' emails, you can continually stay in contact and provide them more content of value. Even if your website were to crash or someone hacked into your server, as long as you have safely kept your email list with a private email server, you still will have your money-making prospect list with you. Thus, it is extremely important that we treat our email list with care and adopt good email marketing practices to achieve maximal benefits from our lists. To download the link book below the video. And if you want to read the books completely on the channel, tell me that. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support us by liking the video. See you later.